Start.
Just like me. Read to read.
Just like me or just like Dora?
Just like Dora. Hi, I am Dora. Do you like surprise? Then follow me. Hop across the rock. Hop, hop, hop. Splash in the water, just like me. Row across the lake. Row, row. Slide down the hill. That's so fun. Just like me. Are we there yet? Not yet. It's good for me to read this one. Swing on the line. Swing, swing, swing. Jump over the log, just like me. Here we are, just what we see. An ice cream party, yummy.
What is it?
An ice cream party.
Oh, an ice cream party.
Yummy.
Okay.
We did it.